Magandang umaga Pilipinas, ako po si Dwayne Woolley at nandito ako. Magandang umaga Pilipinas, ako po si Dwayne Woolley. Magandang umaga Pilipinas, alam niyo na ako si Dwayne Woolley. Nandun ang asawa ko na si Shanta kasama ng kapatid ko na si Jack. Nandito kami ngayon sa Australia sa isang airport na nasa Boona, Queensland, Australia. Nandito po kami dahil maglilipad kami ng airplane. Yo! Let's go check it out. You're beautiful, shine like a star. Shanta, you ready to go flying?
Wiwiwi muna ako.
Nag-iim muna?
Naiinom ko.
Jack is gonna be our second officer today.
I'll be flying the plane.
You'll be flying the plane, mate. How are we gonna move all these planes out of the way, Jack? Look at them, they're everywhere.
Yeah, we just gotta pull them out.
Pull them out.
With our bare hands, mate.
Slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the air.
So this here is the plane we're gonna be flying. Let's go have a look. Boom. That is a beautiful plane, a Cessna 177. When I was studying to be a pilot in Adelaide, we flew the Tobago TB10. So I've never been in a Cessna before. This will be my first time. What's happening, Captain Appleton?
Nothing much.
Captain Lance Appleton. He's going to be our pilot for today. He's a private pilot and he's single. So kung gusto mo ng boyfriend, kontakin mo siya. Kalahati siya Filipino-Australian. Phil Oz. Captain Lance is just doing all the pre-flight checks on the plane and then we can go. Kailangan yan eh para hindi tayo madisgrasya pag nandun na tayo sa langit. Ano ang airplane sa Tagalog? Alam niyo ba? Salipawpaw. So si Lance, siya yung may-ari sa salipawpaw na to. Mayaman, no? You're a rich guy, Lance. This is your plane, dude. Hey?
Walang pera.
Walang pera. Wow. What do you reckon, mate? Is he a good pilot?
Yeah, he's alright, scares his mother.
And I really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend forever in the day with you. I really wanna walk you down the aisle. Put a ring on you. What you say I do. 'Cause you're a dream come true. You are elegance and freedom. Everything to me. I wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than your shadow.
All right, we ready to rock and roll, Captain Lance? Yep, just about ready to go. She's gonna be ready to start up and we'll all hop in. And time to hit the mile high. I mean, time to
Hit the Mile High Club. This is our flight stewardess.
Hello.
Did you bring your peanuts, Santa?
Peanuts.
Flight stewardess na kulang sa height.
Bagay kasi yung plane maliit.
jump on the other side with Jack. I'll do. So you like.
Ready, Jack, man?
Hey, man.
Ready to rock and roll. Let's go, Shanta. You gotta jump in this side before I get in. Go, Shanta.
First time ko sa maliit na plane. Maliit na plane talaga.
It's because you're maliit. Bagay sa'yo.
Yeah. Wait lang.
Alrighty.
Maliit ang airplane.
Oh, maliit. Seatbelts on, everybody. Make sure the door shuts.
Good for them shut it down.
Alrighty.
Can you hear that, Jack?
Yeah.
You can.
Was that you talking?
No, that was the
The airfield.
someone else, I think, another
Yeah.
pilot.
Yeah.
Can you use the
Yeah, yeah.
Shanta. Ready?
We didn't quite lift off, but if you want, we can.
One more. Magaling si Lance Appleton. Yeah. Magaling siyang piloto.
Cause all the dream come true. You are elegance and freedom. You're everything to me. Wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than your shadows, closer than you know. Just let me love you.
Just there out. Yeah, our house.
Oh yeah, it's right there, man.
We found Mom and Dad's house.
What colour is the roof?
It's blue with the solar panels on it. Just next to the corner. Just next to the highway.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. And it's got the power pole out the front. There.
There we go, we found it. Zoom in, Jack. Zoom in.
There you go, got it.
There we go. Yeah, the runway is bomb. We made it, we survived. Shanta, you're alive. Buhay ka pa.
It was so much fun.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Let's do that again.
Round 2. Shanta,
Tara, ulit pa.
we finished. It was epic, wasn't it, Jack?
It's awesome. It's good to be back on the ground.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, thank you for flying Appleton Airways. We're sorry for any turbulence that you may have experienced. We tried to make your flight comfortable and enjoyable, and enjoy the rest of your travels.
You are elegance and freedom. You're everything to me. If you let me love you.